Today we're going to replace the hard drive on an HP DV9000 series laptop. On the bottom of the laptop you have a panel here where your hard drive is. You remove the two screws that hold that into place. And then you have a little plastic tab that you can lift the hard drive out with. On the hard drive is 4 screws that remove the housing brackets. You remove those screws and lift the drive out. Then you have an adapter here that you have to carefully remove. Then you take your new hard drive, put the adapter back in. As you can see, there's only one way that it can go in. And then you put the drive back into the housing brackets. Then you get your 4 screws put in. Then you put your hard drive back into the laptop. You put the back end first. Push it down till it clicks. Then you put your bottom panel back on. Screw down your 2 screws and your hard drive is replaced.